Yo, what's up? Shh. Shh. Sorry. Shh. Shh. The kids were asleep. I didn't want to wake them up. That was my bad. That was my bad. That wasn't your bad. I'm leaving them. Not alone. My wife is here. I'm gonna go to Rackley's. I think, fingers crossed, the cappuccino is done, and we're gonna get my truck inspected, and we're gonna give them some money, and then we're gonna be going down the road in a Suzuki Cappuccino that is not leaking, so we can really give her the beans, baby. Let's do it. Let's go. Oh, I see it. I see it. It's over there. Does that mean it's done? Does that mean she's finished? Hey, buddy. Let's find out. She looks pretty. Eh? It's been a minute. She looks good, huh? I mean, they didn't do anything to the exterior, but it looks good. Rackley's Performance Auto. Rackley's Performance and Auto. It's $1 million, is that what I heard?
Yep. It was fun.
Rackley has completed the car. The car is done. She's finished. And we're gonna go for a ride. Let's go. Put on my seatbelt for safety. That's what I should do. All right, let's go. Okay. All right, baby. All right. I don't know if there's a break-in period, but I think it was broken. Not bad, not bad, not bad. A little bumpy on this road. A little bumpy. Oh yeah. We got us a little roundabout coming. Easy, brother. She's a spicy meatball. Holy moly. Holy cow. I don't know if we were down on power before, but what I can tell you is that I have never, and I repeat, never got loose in this car before. In the AutoZam, I could do donuts, I could spin it around on a dime. I've tried in this and failed. In that roundabout, under power, the back end came out a little bit. Yeah, so what I can tell you is the tune-up that Rackley's did tuned her up, baby. Okay, I'm gonna take it back before I get arrested. The truck's inspected, the car is finished, and as you could just see, it runs like a skint cat. A skint cat? I don't know. It runs good. It runs real good. They did spark plugs, they did oil change, oil filter, all that stuff. They replaced the leaky valve cover gaskets or cam cover gaskets, and they adjusted the timing and everything. So I mean, it's like a genuine full-blown tune-up, and boy does it show. If I can find the door handle. Cars don't have doorknobs. Okay, hold on. That is the elegant way to do that. So what we're going to do is figure out where the key goes. What we're going to do, because their lot is pretty tight, we're going to ditch the cappuccino at Publix right here across the street and get the truck and go home, come back for the car a little later. There's an F250. I'm gonna dump the cappuccino right next to the 250 so you can really get a feel for the size difference. Holy cow. So the AutoZam was easily my favorite. After this tune-up, I don't know if I can say it. I don't know if I can say easily anymore. I need to drive them back to back, and then I might need to get the AutoZam tuned up so we can, you know, I want an apples to apples comparison, and we don't have it anymore, I don't think. Okay, look at that. That's incredible. What's up? Yeah, I am, yeah. Just coasting.
Alright, I'll go follow you.
Let me see, hold on, I might have something for you. Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, so it's actually a Suzuki Cappuccino. It's not a Miata, it's smaller than a Miata.
That's cool. Alright, thank you.
Yeah, man.
I'll go follow you.
Cool, thanks bud. Posting up at the Publix, next to the F250. What's up, my man, if you see this? Thanks for the follow. Funny story. Last time I dropped the cappuccino off at Rackley's and I said, I'm gonna walk, get in a better position for my wife to pick me up. She was literally right behind me. You can see her in the TikTok videos I made. I can't wait. And for anybody that doesn't know, my plug wires, another gasket here. So yeah, I'm very smart and very aware of my surroundings. Hope everyone's okay.
The next morning.
Howdy, howdy. So, here's what we're gonna do. The cappuccino was stashed at a grocery store in town here. It was left there overnight because life, and we're gonna go get it right now. But we're not gonna drive there because I'm only one person, and we're not gonna Lyft or Uber there because it's gonna take 30 minutes for them to get me, and I can get there in 30 minutes with these bad boys right here on my feet. So, I am going to leave you here because I'm not adding a camera to my load. I've already got enough load of my own, and the phone says 52-minute walk. I don't believe that. It's 2.7 miles, and me and my wife have been exercising. Yeah girl, and we've been getting 2 to 3 miles, 30-45 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna set you down and I'm gonna go get the cappuccino, and I'll see you when I get it. All right, you wait right here, okay? You hold the fort down, okay? You hold the house down, all right? We're here. We made it. Can't tell you what the pace was because Fitbit died, but we made it. Everything's all good. Cappuccino is right there, baby. Boom. I'll see you at home. I told you I was gonna run and go get the car. Here it is. She's here. She's done. Oh, let me tell you. You may have seen in the clip earlier. This thing moves. Don't want you to look at yourself. That's vanity. Stop doing that. This thing moves, man. Whatever they did, it works. I don't have time to run around and put you through a video today and see how she boogies, but she boogies. All right? I'll show you later. Thanks for coming. This is my cappuccino. I got more. We're doing other stuff. I'll see you on the next one. Like and subscribe. Peace out.